Can you do that?
Ow. She smacked me in the head. Oh. Oh, now.
Yeah.
There. She went. Boom. You're fuzzy. You're fuzzy.
What is that?
Who is that? Who is that? Ow. Ow. Who smacked me?
There they are.
Ow.
We were trying to videotape Aurora because she was doing her back scoot. But, hey. Yeah, I'm walking.
No, you gotta move your foot. Don't wanna.
Will not cooperate for the camera.
I even did one foot.
Yes. Yes, you do the other one. Oh.
There you go.
And you gotta do the other one.
She said, I'm going to look over here and not do what I'm supposed to do. Watch out, Xavier.
No.
No.
That right foot is refusing to move.
Oh,
She was doing that scoot and then she started crying. She did 2 or 3.
Alright. Alright, I'm filming now.
Yes.
Oh, I'm blocking the lights.
Yes. 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 Can you do it? Yes. No. Yes. Yeah, do it. Do it.
Is that a sneeze?
No, that's her trying to talk, trying to do the... Yes. Not so funny anymore. Yes. Sitting up all by yourself in your high chair, leaning forward. Uh-oh, you're getting mad? Ew. Oh, you fell backwards. Look, look. Who is that? Who is that? Do you see yourself? Yeah. No crying. No crying. Big girl sitting up all by herself, not leaning back in her chair. 4.5 months old. Yay, I'm a big girl now. Fly away, little girl, fly away.
What's she doing? What are you
There's
doing?
Daddy.
What are you doing?
She's doing her flying.
Well. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes. Yes. What are you doing? Yeah. Too loud. There you go. Look at you sitting up all by yourself. You're going to throw yourself backwards. Look at you. Yeah. You're a big girl. You're a big girl now. Sitting all by yourself. Oh, boop. Did you fall over? Did you fall over? Let's pull you back up. You want to come back up? Hold on. Here we are. Oh, you're going to fall over. Bloop. Is that funny? Is that funny? Try again. Let's sit you back up. Oh, all the way up. Okay, here we go. Bloop. There you go. One more time. One more time. Okay, here we go. You're sitting up. Oh, bloop. There you are. Oh, I don't like my belly. There you are. Hello. There you are. Yeah. Sitting all by yourself. Those are some interesting toes, aren't they? Interesting toes. Oh, don't get excited. You'll flop over. You're gonna go over, I see it. There you are, look at you. Oh, you're getting excited. Don't get too excited. Yeah. Oh, boom. Oh, am I mad this time? Yes. Okay, so this is Aurora, 5 months. 2 days after her 5-month birthday. She has toys. She grabs toys and she sits up. Yeah. Get that toy. Oh, you're going to fall over. There you go. You're leaving. Bloop. There you are. Oh, I have a toy. I'm going to shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Yeah. Yeah. Shake it, shake it. I like this toy. Yeah. Ah. Yeah. Oh, I'm getting mad. I don't want to be down here. I want to sit up. I get mad every time I'm laying down. You have a toy? You gonna shake it? Shake it, shake it, shake it. What happened to your toy? There it is. Bloop. We gotcha.